Well, good morning, YouTubers, friends, and family across the world. Welcome to July 22nd, 2017. This is Mike with your morning dew. Hope you're enjoying your weekend so far. Mother Earth is not. United States have got tornado warnings right now, overnight, and throughout the day, I'm sure tomorrow. Very busy day. Very humid air mass over the United States right now. And cold front coming in from the north. You can see sparking up all these thunderstorms. Pretty nasty tornado today in Iowa, injuring quite a few people, damaging a lot of homes and businesses. There have been over 1,000 tornadoes confirmed in the United States this year alone now, so we are en route to a very busy year. So far, there has been a lot of tornadoes. We had a record January, and now we are on pace to a record year for the amount of tornadoes just in the United States. So very active weather across North America and the United States, and also throughout Canada. Ontario has been seeing a lot of nasty thunderstorms, and these thunderstorms have been bringing torrential rain. So they're on flood alert throughout south central Ontario. I'm just going to get to the map here so you can see they've been dealing with the same pattern that the United States has for moisture, and it's been coming through the Midwest and then right across Ontario and out to sea. You can see very large low pressure coming in from the north, very defined large low. From the other day with all that solar wind stream, you can see that all of the vortexes on Earth, low pressure, high pressure, became very defined and stronger and faster. And that's what happens when Mother Earth takes a big breath from the sun. And in the southern hemisphere, it's even worse right now. And throughout Australia, they're seeing mass crop losses and record cold temperatures, as well as South America, as well as Africa. We're just going to look over here, the satellite imagery over Africa and Europe. I want to focus in on this very large low. It came from the Arctic. This is summertime for them here, so this is a very nasty cold low, and it's going to create a lot of very electric thunderstorms. They're going to be dealing with probably record amounts of lightning strikes, so please be aware. Anybody in Europe, these storms are going to be nasty. Stay close to your radios and aware. There's been a lot of people who have lost their lives this year to lightning strikes. You can see the silent low spinning right here across Africa. Right there. So that's going to be our next cyclone maker, or sorry, tropical depression maker once it gets into the Atlantic Ocean. Dawn is no longer a threat, so there is no active Atlantic storms right now, but there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 active Pacific storms. So let's give it a rundown here. We've got 1, 2, 3, sorry, so that's 4, and 5, and 6. So these are the major ones that are named. Fernanda is no longer a threat, but is still a low pressure heading north. Yeah, you can see low pressure here, and will be a category 1 during the day tomorrow, I'm sure, It is not a Category 1 at all yet. So this is Greg. And then we've got Tropical Storm number 10 forming right behind Greg. Or sorry, right behind Tropical Storm number 8. So we've got Greg here, Tropical Storm 8, Tropical Storm 10, and then Kulap. And it's interesting, Kulap means rose, and Noru, Tropical Storm Noru, means to ride. So right now we've got the rose on the ride. Now I don't know if anybody's a reader at all, but I was interested in the numbers game here, because Noru, Tropical Depression Noru, was Tropical Storm number 7, and it was interesting. As I looked for the definition of it, I found a book, not a book, but an article about a book written by Lola St. Ville, and it was the Noru series, and her book number 7 was The Rage of Angels. Interesting, isn't it? 7s. And we had that 7.7 on the 17th, 2017, on the 7th month. Lucky number 7s. Are we lucky? Are we going to be lucky? Well, we are, because we're survivors, aren't we? And thanks again for joining me. So yes, here we are. And I'm just showing you the tropical storms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 very active tropical storms. We have 4 named. Greg, Fernanda, Tropical Depression 9, Tropical Depression 8, Tropical Depression 10, Tropical Storm Noru, to ride, Tropical Storm Kulap, the rose. So during these times of struggle and these times of peril on Mother Earth, and we are all survivors, thank God that we are. And thank you for joining me, and thank you for watching Morning Dew and hanging out and being loyal to me and learning and growing with this channel. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart to all my subscribers. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you make it this far in the video, I want to thank you, because you probably don't make it this far normally. But if you are, please subscribe, share with your friends. Morning Dew Forever, daily events worldwide, where I broadcast severe weather analysis from around the world as we turn and burn through our solar system. Yeah, see, look at all the vortexes. They're just created everywhere. Oh man, and we've got some more action coming at us from the sun. I was looking at it earlier here. I'll get that loaded up here. Let's see. Just get that quickly loaded. Oh, that's not the one I wanted. This is the one I wanted. There we go. So LASCO 2 image. This is the last 7 days. Sorry, 5 days. So there's the 18th. And that's the incoming stream. 6.7, 6.4, 6.8. But yeah, or sorry, here we go, 18th, 19th, 20th. So we've got more coming here. That just happened today. So watch for an uptick in seismicity as we go through. And oh, look here, 5.3 in Chile. This is recent. Yeah, that's definitely recent. So, I'm not even sure exactly where that is. It looks like Chile to me. 5.3 magnitude earthquake in Chile. Looks to be about 30 kilometers down. Semi-shallow. I was just going to give you an update. Well, there it is. The earthquake update for the last 24 hours. And we're just going to give you a look-see over the last 7 days. If nobody has seen this before, this has been a very busy week. So be ready. There's a lot to look at. So, very large earthquake. Russia, we all know about that one. But you can see that Mother Earth is bursting at the seams. A lot of earthquake swarms in the same place. Barbados, yeah, Barbados. Earthquake swarm in Russia, earthquake swarm in Alaska, earthquake swarm in California, earthquake swarm in Turkey. Look at that in Turkey. Many aftershocks. We're getting nasty reports from Turkey. A lot of people are missing. So I'm sure a death toll will be coming out over the next couple days, because that was a nasty quake. Very populated area, very old towns, not made for this kind of destruction that Mother Nature can bring. So please, keep sharing this channel, keep sharing the love, keep sharing the knowledge. Morning Dew is here for you, daily events worldwide. I want to thank you all for watching today. This is an update on the world, global weather analysis, and disaster alerts. Morning Dew is here for you. So stay young and have fun. Get your morning dew. Bye-bye.